calculations that involve investment bonds. So we look at calculations that involve investment bonds, where we have questions. This question is Milimo buys a bond worth 100,000 that pays interest, the interest of 8% per annum. 8% per annum. That is the interest. Meaning per year, the interest is 8%. Then it continues by saying it matures after 10 years. Then it continues by saying the interest is paid to him every 6 months. The interest is paid to him after 6 months. What are the questions there? Question number 1. Calculate the interest payable per year. So we are told that to calculate now the interest payable per year as question number A. So we are going to say 8% of the amount, which is 100,000. So this one will be, because 8% is same as 8 over 100 multiplied by 100,000. So we'll say this and this will go. So this means that our final answer will be 8 with 3 zeros, meaning 8,000 kwacha. It will be 80,000 kwacha. 8,000 kwacha will be the amount per year. Why? Because the 8% is per annum. Per annum means per year. So that is what we are going to have after a year. Now we go to question number 2. Question number 2 or question number B says, how much interest will Milimo receive after 6 months? If after 1 year, Milimo has received the 8,000 kwacha, what amount will Milimo receive for 6 months? It is the same as dividing the 8,000 divided by 2, because the 6 months is half a year. So we are going to say 8,000 divided by 2, as I'm going to show you on the board. So it will be 8,000. This is 8,000 divided by 2. 8,000 divided by 2. And our answer is 4,000. 4,000. So this person is going to be paid as interest, is going to be paid 4,000 kwacha. 4,000 kwacha will be paid as the interest for Milimo in 6 months. Now we go to question number C. Now we go to question number C. The question is, what amount will he receive on the maturity of the bond? What amount will he receive on the maturity of the bond? So we are told that he receives only the original amount. So this person is going to receive only the original amount. Okay, he is going to receive the original amount which he bought, which is 1,000, not 1,000, but 100,000. He will receive 100,000 as interest was paid every 6 months. The reason is because the interest was being paid every after 6 months. So this person will receive, after it has matured, is going to receive the 100,000 he invested, the 100,000 which was invested. Question number D. Question number D says, How much interest will he receive in total if the interest rate remains the same? Meaning the interest rate is not changing, it is still 8% per annum. As we discovered, to say per annum, this person received the 80,000, which was received per annum. Now, how much will this person receive? The interest, how much interest will this person receive in total? Which total is that? 10 years period. The 10 years period which we have. Milimo buys a bond with that one that pays interest of this one per annum. If it matures after 10 years. So we are going to multiply the number of years multiplied by the interest which this person got every year. So the interest is 8,000, then multiplied by the number of years. Meaning this person is getting the interest of 80,000 in 10 years. So this person will receive 80,000 for 10 years, the maturity of this bond. So this marks the end of our work. This marks the end of our question which involves investment bonds. Our next video, we are going to look at sample exam questions which comes under investment bonds. Thank you so much.